try this cool magnet trick. First, I place a thin piece of paper on the table and put a metal needle on top of it. Now I take a strong magnet and hold it underneath the paper. Look, the needle starts moving and follows the magnet perfectly. Next, let's make it a bit harder. I add a second layer of paper. I put the needle on top again and bring the magnet underneath. Wow, the needle still moves easily through 2 layers of paper. Now, let's test something different. I place the needle on a ceramic plate. I move the magnet underneath the plate. Amazing! The needle still follows the magnet without any problem. Finally, for the real challenge, I put the needle on top of a very thick book. Watch carefully. When I move the magnet underneath, the needle still moves but much slower this time. So, what just happened? The magnetic force can pass through many materials like paper, ceramic, and even a thick book. However, the thicker the material, the weaker the force becomes, so the needle moves more slowly. This is a fun way to see how magnetic fields can travel through different objects.